Hey guys, welcome to Sapa in northern Vietnam. Today we rode from Ha Giang across to Sapa. It's only about 240 k's, but it took us about 9 hours on the road, so it was one hell of a ride. The parts of the road were so messed up that we were going at like 5 to 10 kilometers an hour for about an hour at a time. Then just coming down into this homestay here, it was probably about another 5 kilometers of some of the worst roads that we've ridden so far, so it took us forever. But check out this view, it's totally worth it for the view. So we picked up this homestay here for about $7 US a night. So including a discount we got from Booking.com. So I'll post a link below there where you can actually use a referral link to get money off your next booking with Booking.com. So if you're booking any accommodation, definitely use that. So it'll help you guys get about $20 off, and then it helps us as well. We've just had a couple of bowls of fried rice for $2 each and a couple of beers each for $1 each, so yeah, life's good. Morning guys, this is our first full day in Sapa. We're actually staying in a little place called Tavan Valley just outside of Sapa. I showed you around the homestay yesterday, but we've just gone for a walk up the hill this morning before the storm hits this afternoon, and yeah, we found a cool little cafe that's got great views over the rice terraces, and we've just stopped for a cup of coffee and a cup of tea. So after our cuppa, we're probably going to have a bit of a wander around the town, probably walk up the hill a bit further and see if there's any more cool views, and yeah, we'll show you what we see while we're up there. Well guys, that was Tavan Valley just outside of Sapa. You get to see some cool rice terraces and local villages and the traditional way of harvesting rice. So I hope you guys liked it, but don't forget to subscribe because we've got some more cool videos coming up as well. But we'll catch you guys next time. Bye!